What makes the clicking sound in a mechanical keyboard? Well, inside each key is a stem, slider, spring, and two metal contact leaves. When the key isn't pressed, these two metal leaves are separated by a small air gap and electricity can't flow between them. However, when the key is pressed, first the stem moves down and then the slider. At a certain point, the slider moves out of the way of the metal contact leaf and it snaps forward and hits the other metal contact, making a sharp click. When the key is released, a spring pushes the slider back up, which pushes against the metal leaf, thus opening the air gap between the contacts. If you want to learn more about keyboards, check out the full video and click here to subscribe.